If you're a trader, then you must have heard of Bill Williams, the genius analyst who changed the game. His name has definitely crossed your paths, but if you don't understand these ideas, your trading sessions are likely full of losses. Hey everyone, my name is Jamal, and today I'm here to fix all that. I'll tell you about the market chaos and how to work with it, share a proven strategy, and show you where to get fully automated trading software powered by artificial intelligence. In other words, today I'm giving you everything you need to get started. Watch to the end, dive in, and become a pro. Let's go. Okay guys, let's break down our trading system. Just two Billy Williams indicator, ZigZag and Fractals. With the first one, we draw lines from the corners to identify support and resistance zone. Even from this highlighted example, we can spot some market patterns. A line breakout means trend continuation, while a rejection signal, price reversal. This helps us identify the main market direction. Zigzag follows the price, constantly hitting at potential reversals or level crossing. And what to expect next? So this is our rough trend defining indicator. Now, let's discuss our precision. Purple for exact entries, fractals. These are small triangles that also create level price, interacts with them based on some logic. Breakout means further growth. Rejection suggests reversal. I will now show an example where fractal combined with zigzag actually change price direction. Here's a level highlighted by both fractals and zigzag. Price failed to break above, it went down. And there was a fractal breakout that served as additional confirmation for the downward trend. That's basically all we need to know. You'll see effective combination of these two indicators in real example. And I will also explain Bill Williams' theory behind these algorithms. Opening my face trade here, to show my confidence, I'll check a higher time frame. As you can see, there are different levels here. We've had a recent zigzag breakout, and earlier, fractals were crossed upward. I will highlight that. There are quite a few here, and that's the main advantage of this indicator. It constantly updates. Higher time frame signals are more reliable. If you're unsure about minute candles, then zoom out. You're almost out of time before expiration. So few words about Williams. This guy is a legendary trader, price action theorist, and a creator of multiple indicators. And we are using two today. And we are already seeing results in profits. My friends, let's switch currency pairs and continue trading. Now, let's trade the decline and start from afar. Here is the key level we are currently falling from. Price tried to break it, but ended up pulling back hard. Here the signal confirmed its relevance. Another fractal crossed downward. Now we wait. And I want to share Billy Williams' market philosophy. He believes technical analysis doesn't work and price movement is chaos. Yet, this random move have their own logic. They are repeating patterns that fractals reveal. This triangle are reversal points. Moments when price bounced up or down in space. If the asset moves away from them, and then returns, you should watch for a signal, either a breakout or a bounce. Okay, I'm already in profit here. Time to switch charts and continue. Great short trade already in the market. And now, I'll show you the entry logic. Personally, I still believe in technical analysis. I'll allow it a trend line. Daily shows we are downtrend. Now let's break down the structure. Chaos according to Williams. I'm highlighting a fractal where we just saw a bounce. Price couldn't break through. What level and move downward? Earlier, there was another similar fractal on a zigzag corner. See the pattern? This bounce aligned with a whole series of Williams signals and gave us a reason to enter the market. So the creator of this indicator believes the market is chaos and it suggests profiting from its acceleration. That's exactly what you are seeing now. The method is simple. Identify a chaotic structure, wait for price interaction, and enter the trade. And this price chaos has brought us profits. Friends, take a short pause and get ready to re-enter the markets. You're trading market randomness, my friends. I think there's no need to wait. Open another short position down below. You've got a level you're heading toward. This is another point in Williams' market structure. Soon, you'll be either broken or bounced from. It's only hard to grasp in the beginning. Guys, with experience, you will scan setup automatically. By the way, here is a source to help you build that experience. My Telegram channel, I post all my trading signals, which you can use to earn as well. And if things feel too tough at start, my team has automated AI-based trading software that can trade for you. Win rates 72%, friends. It's worth it. If you're interested, DM me on Telegram and I'll give you this access for free. Okay, everything is smooth again. Time to switch up, guy. Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through all your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue. Perfect. Entering another short position, guys. We've got a clear down trade in there and we've just bounced off a downwards looking line. Earlier, we had a zigzag breakout that sets the direction. Now, let's watch how price behaves over the next minutes. By the way, here's what Williams thinks about trading skills level. Beginners trade randomly. More experienced traders use systems but are emotional in the approach. Competent analysts with experience know how to control their emotion and strictly they follow rule. True professionals understand market chaos and trade intuitively. That's where I disagree. Everything accurate up to that last point. Trading intuitively is a clearly dead end, though maybe we interpret that term differently. Anyway, I'm in profit again. Time to look for the final trade of the session. Okay, here's an interesting setup. Not an obvious one, so let's break it down. Here's a micro level from fractals and price has bounced off it. Now we are climbing toward the zigzag level within an uptrend. So let's summarize. Bill Williams sees the market as chaos, but chaos that repeats. Fractals help us identify the next pattern. Our job is to find these structures and enter trade correctly, which is exactly what I'm doing in front of you. Want to learn more? Read the book, Trading Chaos. You will get to Williams' ideas straight from the author. Personally, I don't agree with all of these points. For example, I still believe in charts, patterns, and reject intuition. But everyone makes their difference. Meanwhile, I've already doubled my deposit, so it's a good time to wrap up the trading session. Let's go. I'm glad I could share this iconic trading session with you. Bill Williams' Markets Chaos Theory is a classic. Every trader should know it. Try it out yourself, and I wish you success as you begin. If you want more knowledge, check out my Telegram channel. You'll find not only free software and signals, but also tons of useful info for beginners. As always, I'll see you in the next video. For now, drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. It's always important to hear what you think about my work. So share your thoughts, my friend. Good luck with your trading. See you soon.